Hello class, so here we are in the final exam. I'm going to try to go over a guide of the final exam with you. Basically, I'm going to be looking at it at the exam, and I'm going to be telling you what sections you're going to be tested on and what types of questions you're going to be getting so that you can study and review those particular sections. Alright, so here we go. The exam, I'm going to be looking at it as we do this. The exam has 74 questions, small ones, 1 point and such. The first 10 questions are audio. 1 through 5 is one audio file and is true-false answers. And it's on a news report about the weather. But it's a true-false. You hear something, the audio file, and then there's a line, a sentence, and then you have to say if that's true or false. 1 through 5, a point each. Questions 6 through 10 is a different audio file. And this one you have to write some answers. The audio file is going to ask you something and you need to answer the question. There is a model in the question so that you can follow that model. Excuse me. The model for answering and the type of questions you're going to get. Those are 5 points each. And they are questions 6 through 10. Questions, excuse me, just a second. Questions 11 through 20, fill in the blank, saber or conocer. Fácil, 1 point each. Questions 21 through 30, 1 point each, fill in the blank, ser or estar. Fácil, just conjugate the verb. 21 through 30. Questions 31 through 40, 31 through 40, 1 point each, conjugate a stem changing verb. It gives you the verb in the infinitive inside a sentence with a blank, and you need to conjugate the verb in the right form. Stem changing verbs. Poder, dormir, those kinds of verbs. 1 point each till question 40. Question 41 is a 10-point question that is going to ask you to, is a big question, 10 points. It's going to ask you to work with the structure hay que plus infinitive. Hay que plus infinitive. We studied that structure this semester, review it well. Questions 42 through 46 is 3 points each, and it gives you a list of activities, and you need to write a sentence with a subject provided. They give you the subject, and you just need to create a sentence using one of those structures. And they're all in this estar plus NDO, the present progressive. So review the present progressive. You have to create some sentences with it. 3 points each. Questions 47 through 51 is 1 point each, and it's direct object pronouns. Lo, la, los, las. It's give you a sentence, and then it rewrites the sentence with the direct object pronoun, but it's blank. And so you just need to write lo, la, los, las. And it tells you in there which one of the four. It tells you the four. Lo, la, los, las. You just need to place one of them. Alright, so, and those are 1 point each. Questions 52 through 56 are writing down numbers. You have to spell out numbers, and they're all in the millions. I mean, they're funky numbers. 23,933,251 something. And so you have to write the number down in a sentence. It asks you a question, and you have to answer it with that number. 2 points each till question 56. And then question 57 through 61 is a reading comprehension. There's a paragraph, you read it, and it asks you a question, and you have to answer each question. There is 2 points each question. And there are 57 through 62, through 61, 2 points each. And then 62 till the end, till question 74, is 5 points each. And there are questions and answers. Anything goes. Everything we've done this semester, from ¿Qué hora es? To ¿Cómo te llamas? Everything. So 5 points each. Review your questions and answers from all your quizzes. And that's it. 74 questions. It's not too long. I think you'll be doing very well. I did this sort of fast So feel free to watch the video again, look at the sections that we're going to have and the kinds of questions you're going to be completing. It shouldn't be new. You have been doing this in your quizzes and such, so it's no surprise. Good luck with everything. Thank you for a great semester. And as usual, contact me if you need anything. See you around. Adios.